So, we're here today to start the Rusticraft server. And there are a lot of people who couldn't make it, but this is the start of this. It's going to be very chaotic. I'm done with my speech. If anyone else wants to say anything, Dr. Chef, get back here.
I love women.
I want to give a speech, so.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. Get back!
Mwah. Love you, bro.
Okay.
Yeah. No.
Guys,
Alien gets to give
so
his speech.
this server, I want it to be very chaotic, and a lot of things I want to happen because we all want views and likes and subscribe.
Yeah, I love views, bro.
Yeah.
Views are the best.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Yay.
Where's he going?
All right. Wait. Get back here.
He's going to the village.
Kill me, I dare you. Aw, can you kill me? I need a hunger
Cakes,
reset.
you look very good.
Okay, everyone.
Yeah.
I'm here.
I'm gonna kill us all. Is everyone done giving speeches now?
Yes, let's
Yeah.
go.
Okay, I'm gonna kill us all, and we're gonna be set in survival mode. Okay.
We're the yes, I'm one of the only ones.
Yo, is anyone else nervous, or is that just me?
Yeah, I am too for some reason.
Yeah.
Ready? We start now.
Go.
Oh, we start.
Go.
As a child, I yearned for the mines.
Bro, shut up.
What the fuck?
I
Also
think
some-
everybody's going in the same direction.
Some player heads dropped.
If you take them, you're gay.
I got an egg.
Okay, you can keep it. Is it
Bro,
fertile?
this is the best thing I ever.
I think it is. I don't know.
That's weird.
Guys, I think it's Cake's egg that he made an egg.
Why is everyone going to loot the village?
Because it's a village. Why else?
What
Guys,
happened
I might leave the.
Oh shit.
so
Okay, I'm
I won't
cooked.
hear you.
GG's, everyone. GG's. I'm already.
Wait. What happened to what happened to Argil?
Bro, I'm cooked.
Guys, how many people are?
Oh wait, I forgot.
Here.
Okay, I'll turn on one player sleep right now.
Fuck.
There's only a helmet? What kind of
Bro.
village blacksmith is that?
Bro, except from like Andre, I think everybody went for the village.
I didn't.
Guys, they left a bunch of player heads behind. Let's go loot them.
Michael, if you pick them
When I
up,
saw
you're
the
gay.
brewing stand, I immediately
bad.
went after it.
Okay, you're gay.
And after quickly getting some wood, I was ready to kill the iron golem.
Oh my gosh, hello. Can you hear me?
Wait, yeah, we
Golden
can see.
nuts. I will take
Oh
it.
my
we lost
gosh.
Alien.
Andre, let's make some talks and go to a different group chat.
Yeah, okay.
Wait, so there's no string dupers, right?
No string dippers.
I then got 5 iron, which I quickly noticed in my inventory, and crafted iron tools. Iron golem? No
It's not that difficult to get iron, man.
Damn, that's pretty stupid. Bro, this texture pack's good and bad at the same time.
Bad? How so?
The crafting table in your inventory is off by a little bit. So it's a...
I then quickly found a cave and went to go mining.
From the locator bar.
Hello? To then die. This was my first death on the server and also the first death on the server. I also then died 2 more times, putting me at 3 deaths.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh my god, who's doing that? Yo, who's doing that?
To do that sounds are they
Do you see
don't
where it says
just
group
leave the
management?
crowd, make them for yourself.
How many gigs of Minecraft you have played?
Server lag.
Brother, the lag is
What? How many? How long?
Putting me at 4 deaths. I then found a lava pool, which I could use to construct the nether portal. The nether portal would allow me to go to the nether and get resources I couldn't in the overworld.
Is anyone at the village by any chance? Cause oh, a conveniently placed bed.
Where is that by chance?
It's
Is it like just outside the cave you're in?
yeah,
Dang,
just
that's
outside the
my
mine
bad.
shaft. Oh, awesome, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for like 10 minutes. Huh?
Wait, who is that? Oh, Arjo? Bro, why are you trying to... You still can't find out the keybind for first person, man?
I then noticed I didn't have gravel to make a flint and steel. So I quickly did an old technique called placing wood and then lava to quickly and efficiently light the nether portal without flint and steel.
I have, yeah, I have iron.
How much?
Oh, just like, no, like 70.
Okay.
I came back to the portal being lit, so I knew my technique worked. So I then went to the nether. I was one of the first in the nether, which was a good start. But then I looked around for a bit and noticed there really isn't anything around me. So I then quickly went back to the overworld.
Bro, Soul Saiyan sucks.
This one, oh my gosh, thanks so much.
Blizzard, do you want a head?
My head, yes.
You want your own head? You can have your own.
Bro,
I want-
There are only 3 heads. There are only
Can I get
Give
it
me a
without?
head.
Where's Popper's head then?
Can
Yo,
I
don't
get
say
it?
like that?
Can I get it
What?
without Oh wait, I gave it to you accidentally.
You guys have like any food?
I have some rotten flesh probably.
I'll take it.
Where are you guys all teaming?
Wait, put your head on. It makes your head look huge.
Are you guys all teaming?
It looks big.
So calm down, Blizzards.
I ain't
We're just all
going down, bro.
we're just all in the same area.
Okay. I have 2 rotten fleshes, just for you, darling.
I was playing like long ago and I mined like 4 or 5 stacks of iron and then I died with most of it in a fire.
I was 7 years old.
Oh
Okay.
my god.
Guys, it's time to start to build my nation, my not my nation, my beautiful house.
Yeah.
So I go in game menu, I come back, and Chef has killed my teammate. See, the problem with Chef is he is currently the most geared on our server. Just seeing him, you could die. I was severely undergeared to take a fight with him, so I had to wait before fighting him. But something does happen with me and him.
Okay, wait. I'm talking about checking my group. He's doing the 3 days, and I'm able to actually do that. He's like actually gathering with stuff now. But he has all the 24 letters. So have fun with that.
Yeah. Mega base, then just put some numbers to add to 24 characters. What do you think?
We're gonna actually make this.
Yeah, but
I just want to check that.
yeah, I was thinking you might be getting
Did you kill the other villager?
Here.
Oh, here. Okay, sorry. My bad. And we need to do the slime trick, right? So you can really see the entire. Oh,
Bro. Yeah.
With this feat, Chef later became peaceful and stopped going on a killing rampage, while I got more powerful. Then started my almighty empire. First, I had to terraform the land to actually make the town. That's when I caught this dude at my base. So I started killing him.
It's Flames Novas. Hold on. Hold on. I do gotta tell you something about the base thing. Hold on. Hold on. So, who did it was... Alright, come here. I know this bow will hurt. Yes.
After killing him, I decided to help him get his stuff back, just to be kind. This would definitely change my future on this server. Then I decided to team with him. And I know you might be like, Blizzard, did you not just kill this kid and then help him get his armor back? Why would you team with him? And to answer that is that I don't really know. Basically, my teammates kind of were not really doing anything. I was the only one doing anything. So I decided this could be a great opportunity to gain power on this SMP.
Give wood. Like anything that...
Then we started making our base. I had to go while we were making our base. So this base was mostly chefs doing, especially the villager breeder and stuff like that.
They hit us both. I think half of them. Yeah, I probably will get off, bro.
I then come back to this. He absolutely cooked with this base.
Those in my inventory. Why are all my chests full, bro? Of blocks. I'm gonna make more chests.
He had also gotten multiple more villagers for us to trade with. Then went to spawn to do some trolling. This was very funny to do and fun.
Bruh, by like a millisecond.
We then immediately went to Flame's base. He was definitely one of the most geared. and stack players on this SMP. So we could steal from him. We were also planning to make a very big potato farm, and we needed a lot of dirt. So we would then go on to mine all the dirt under his base.
Steal some of his coal.
If he has it, sure.
Damn, look how many emeralds he had. Should we take some?
Is that even a wish?
Hello.
You might know it's not Meerput. Meerput will check the logs or something. And then you'll know.
Would have what?
Meerput might check, like they check the logs for him. Let's hope it does it. Alright, let's start on.
I will now play a time lapse of us mining all the dirt under his base. I then went back to my base.
Thanks. Time to move on to my goal.
I then started to place all the dirt. And then I would plant all the potatoes.
It's not here.
I kind of forgot to record this part, but I followed Flame and Rain sometime after betraying them, and then followed them to their base, and then I was planning on raiding it.
It's like right over here.
I then got Chef on to raid Flame's base and to troll him, but while we were raiding, something unexpected happens. Then Flame logged on.
He passed by spawn earlier.
Like how long ago?
Fuck, I don't know, like, not too long ago.
Which direction? Which direction?
We started interrogating someone who saw him pass spawn. When I found a bunch of my dogs standing up, which meant there was only one possible reason. He was at our base.
Chef, he's at our base.
Actually, how do you know?
Because all my dogs are teleporting here. All my dogs.
Shit. Okay.
See, we have
The base is cut.
Why did he do that? Why did he do that? See? Why?
I was wondering why that was.
Wait,
Yeah, I'm like,
Here, there's another portal here. There's another portal here. Shoot.
I don't think that one leads to.
still cooked. By the time we get there, yeah.
Don't worry. It's fine. Let's just go.
Like,
It's not like you can go anywhere.
even if we do get there, yeah, it's 600 blocks away. By the time we get there, he'll be gone. He can still hear us, and I know he can.
Yo, are you pearling?
Yeah, I'm almost.
One more pearl, and it should take us out. Yo, he's still there. My dogs are still dying. He's gonna trap it. He's going through.
Hey, hold on.
Wait, flash his strength and everything. Hurry.
Yeah, can I get a fire res? I need a fire res.
Yeah, that's my last fire guys. I'm gonna splash this with regen too.
Fine. Hold on.
Hold on, let's go. Who goes? I guess we both go.
Bro, he broke the portal. That's crazy.
Then we can't go down. Damn.
Why not?
I just saw his name tag actually. He's right there.
Yep. Up?
He's right here. Something is.
Yeah, I hear breaking blocks.
Oh, last time I lost him doing this.
You lost a duel doing it?
efficiency. I also. Hi. Oh, Juno was still falling. Juno was still falling. Okay, let's go.
Got him.
Nice. Now he says, bro. Oh, this sucks.
Yeah, he e-chested. He e-chested some things.
We had killed him. Although, in the end, he e-chested his mace, we still got all of his armor and his weapons, which rendered him defenseless. After traveling thousands and thousands of blocks, we decided to make another portal on the nether roof, which would be our base. After searching for a while, I finally made a spot where our base would be formed. Watch this montage of us making the base. Alright, this is the end of the video. If you've watched this far, please like and subscribe. And wait for episode 2 to come out of the Rusticraft SMP.